Okay, so I have a little bit of a screencast to share with everybody about the subject of whether the Star of Bethlehem could have actually taken place. I've just launched a program called Celestia, and it's a program that gives us a view of our sky in terms of astronomical terms. I've currently enabled that it should show us the constellations. Instead of showing us constellations, this program can just as easily show us only planets, only orbits, only things that we're more familiar with. And of course, here we have in the center of our display the constellation of Regulus. It's kind of hard to read, but it's there in the center. We're looking for an event that took place a long time ago. We go to our time dialog, we set the time to a year that's known as -2 according to numerical wisdom. The year 3 before Christ was actually the year -2 according to numerical wisdom, because the first year after Christ was born would have counted as year 1 and not as year 0. So I made the mistake once when I was trying to verify this of going back to the year -3 and discovered, to my great disappointment, that absolutely nothing was taking place on the year -3 numerically. So we're switching this, we're still pointed at the constellation of Regulus, and we're switching this to the year -2. We're Tuesday, the 1st of January, at the year -2. And what I am going to do is I'm going to accelerate the passage of time. So basically, I'm going to make time take place much more rapidly. We notice that Jupiter makes a periodic maneuver with respect. The camera is focused on Regulus. The sun just passed in front of us, and the thing is, the moon swings by from time to time. We're going too fast to make out the moon. But we see here clearly that Jupiter is transiting Regulus, which Jupiter will do every so many years. The moon swings by once a month, and nothing new there. So there wouldn't be anything really out of the ordinary with the fact that Jupiter is doing this, with the only added coincidence being that right here, Venus is coming along. So Jupiter is one of the brightest stars in the nighttime sky, and Venus is roughly where Jupiter is, and I'm going to slow it down even more. Look what Venus and Jupiter do. As seen from a location close to the Earth, Venus and Jupiter form a transiting. Venus transits Jupiter. I'm going to reverse this. They are superimposed very closely. Only after Jupiter transited, and this would have been around June of the year -1. So roughly around that time, these things took place. And then according to the orientation of our camera, once again, this happens. Okay, so Jupiter transits Regulus, and then Venus comes around and transits Jupiter. I mean, Jupiter crowns Regulus, and then Venus transits Jupiter. That's all I wanted to demonstrate. So that's around July of 2 BC of the year -1, as you can see in the upper right-hand corner. That's all I wanted to demonstrate to people. Thank you.